Pat here for The Adventurous Eye. A little while ago I did a quick little video on a lamp that I'd found. I found the shade, the side of the road, and I took it home, cleaned it up, made it into a lamp, which looks like this. So here it is, kind of, sort of restored, but nice and shiny, looks good. So today, I'm going to do the same thing with this guy. So same thing, side of the road find at the same time. You can see how dirty it is. I'm gonna have to take the light off and this little hook thing. It's a swag light. I'm gonna try and mount it on a base, see how that goes.